Good news, guys. I just found a newest and fastest method that you can use to get your 4,000 watch hours without you stressing yourself. This particular two fastest and newest hack that I'm about to share with you don't need to upload shots, you don't need to post any video, you don't need to use live stream or any external app. Now, this method that I'm about to share with you, or this hack, is what the big YouTubers that you know are using to get their 1,000 subscribers. Big creators like VDIQ, Dan the Creators, Tubudi, Make Money Mart, and a lot of them. And the beautiful part of it is that this is the secret method that I use to get this channel to over 1,000 subscribers. Now, if you are interested to get this 1,000 subscribers using this method that I'm about to share with you, then give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and let's dive in. Now, but before I show you, on this YouTube, if you make a good video and you didn't tell your viewers to subscribe, they won't subscribe. Maybe it will just be 30 to 35% to subscribe. And now you want the remaining 70 to 75% to subscribe. This particular two method that I just found out, which I will be sharing with you, will help you accumulate your 1,000 subscriber. This method, you will be only using your YouTube Studio and your Chrome. Yes. Now, if the first method I'll be teaching you didn't work for you, then you will try the second method. If you're under 1,000 subscriber and 500 subscriber and you are struggling so hard to get your 1,000 subscriber, then use this method, and trust me, it is granted and trusted, and it works for all niches. So let's dive in right now. So come over to your Chrome browser. Yes, you type studio.youtube.com. So once you type it, it's going to bring you to this interface. Click on continue to studio. It will now take you to your Chrome browser. I mean your extension, your channel Chrome browser extension. Now once it brings you to this interface, look at this pencil icon. Did you see this particular icon that looks like pencil? So click on it. Now once you click on it, then it will bring you to this interface where you have your profile and your home tab. Now I want you to scroll down. Yes. Now this particular part is where I'm going to be showing you these two methods that I promised you, these two hacks that you can use to get your 1,000 subscriber. Now the first one is, once you come over to this down part of your dashboard, you will see this one that had video watermark. Now the watermark will appear on your video in the right hand corner of your video while it's playing, and when your viewers see those that watermark, once they click on that watermark, they are going to subscribe to your channel automatically. And this watermark, you can either upload subscribe image or a subscribe watermark, and you can also upload your picture, and your picture must be 1 MB picture or below 1 MB picture. So now for you to activate this particular setting, this watermark, click on this upload. Now once you click on this upload, it will take you to your gallery. So I will have to select and look for a picture that is under 1 MB or less than 1 MB. So select a picture. Once you have selected a picture, click on done. Once you click on done, then the picture, you can actually crop the picture. Now this is a 1 MB picture, because if it's not 1 MB, it will not show like this. So this is where you will customize it. So this is a 1 MB picture. You click on done. Once you click on done, before you click on publish, make sure that you put it at the entire video, like it will play through the video, through your video. So once you have clicked on it, you click on publish. You click on this publish to publish. Okay, now the second method I'll be showing you now. Come over to this particular place. Now you see this particular place that shows your channel URL. I want you to copy this particular link you are seeing right here. I mean this link you are seeing right here. Now once you copy it, click on copy, or you highlight the link, click on copy. Now once you click on copy, you come to your Google. Yes, I want you to come to your your Chrome browser. Once you come to your Chrome browser, I want you to type this free auto subscribe generator. Yes, once you click this free auto subscribe generator, click on search. Now once you click on search, now the reason why we are using this Chrome is because we want to generate an auto subscribe link. Click on the first site, then you choose. Once you click on choose, then it will bring you to this interface. Now here they say free YouTube auto subscribe link generator. Paste a YouTube channel URL. Paste the link that you just copied, paste it. Once you paste it, click on generate. It will now generate an auto subscribe link for you. Can you see the link? It has generated an auto subscribe link. So click on copy link to clipboard, click on OK. Then once you click on OK, you come back to your YouTube studio. Yes, the Chrome version that we just used initially. So once you come over here, do you see this place that they write add link? Click on this add link. Now once you click on this add link, now we are going to paste the link that this Chrome has generated for us. Now, but before you paste it, title the link. You are going to paste this link twice, so that if your viewer click the first one or they mistakenly click the first or the second one, they will automatically subscribe. Let's say you come over here, you can say please subscribe. Okay, please subscribe. So once you click on that please subscribe, you come over here and paste the auto subscribe link confirmation. Okay, now once you paste it, then you tap on this add link again and come over and paste the same link again. Yes, paste the same link. Then once you paste the same link, you can come over here and say, let me say subscribe now. Okay, just put an emoji of arrow or something. Subscribe now. Okay, so don't worry, at the end I'm going to show you how it looks like on your channel. Okay, on my channel, how it looks like. Okay, remember that it's not only this link you can put, you can put other of your socials like your Instagram, your Facebook link, your TikTok link. You can put them here. Okay, any social media link you can add it. Just keep clicking on this add link and you can add a lot of them. Okay, but right now I'm not adding any other link except this one that I'm showing you as a tutorial. Okay, so once you have imputed all this link that we just generated, don't forget to click on this publish. So once you click on this publish, it will be published. Then you can now go to your channel. Now let me show you how it looks like on my channel. So once you come to your channel, click on this more. Once you click on this side, now this is exactly what it looks like. Okay, now can you see? This is how this particular auto subscribe link generator looks like. Now anybody that click on this link, any of the link, they will automatically subscribe to your channel. Yes, this is how they will be subscribing. You will end up getting your 1000 subscriber. Okay, so go and try it and let me know in the comment section if you try this, and tell me how many subscribers you have gathered so far. Okay, so use this method, and if you find this video interesting, do it to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel and share it to other of your friends, even on WhatsApp group, Facebook groups, and turn your bell notification so that you get notified each time I upload videos like this. Okay, so thank you, and I'm going to see you on my next video.